Let's make some tuna patties. Start off by dicing up a red onion. Next, make sure you got a can of tuna all the way drained. 1 egg. Mix it well. Add in your chopped onion. Half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Tablespoon of mayo. You got to have that mayo in there. Half a teaspoon of Old Bay. What's a seafood without Old Bay, you know? And my garlic butter seasoning. Check the channel for that. Now look, this is important. Spoon these in, guys, if you want that nice little crispy edge that teases that tongue for you to get ready for that small little crunch before you dive in these puppies. Do not pat them and mold them into a patty. Just give them a pat with your spoon. And be sure to cook them on both sides. And folks, these go good with grits. I know you can cook grits, but you ain't had no grits like mine. Bon appetit. Look at that cheese, baby.